Hey, this is Sheetal. Today's remedy is super exciting and it is perfect for you if you have combination skin. Now really quickly, the definition of combination skin is that at certain areas, especially the T-zone, it tends to be oily, very oily or somewhat oily. The rest of your skin could be normal or it could even be dry. Now combination skin tends to also break out into acne. Time to time it doesn't have to be the case, but it does often. It also tends to be prone to blackheads and whiteheads, and there tends to be that congestion within the pores, because of which the skin doesn't look as glowing as it potentially could. So this remedy is a 3 or 4 ingredient remedy. It's super simple. Everything you need is hopefully in your kitchen cabinets. And what you can expect is for your skin to look very firm, deeply cleansed, cleaned and balanced. So perfect for combination skin, but I also feel comfortable saying that no matter what your skin type is, if you use this remedy, it will deep clean your skin. And the appearance will be much refined. You can expect your skin to look firm also after you use this remedy. Alright, so before I get started, I will say hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, and at the same time take a moment and talk to me in comments below. Tell me what you thought of this remedy, and if there is a remedy you have in mind that you would like for me to teach you, then don't be shy, use the comments below and talk to me there. Okay, without further ado, let's get started with this Ayurvedic home remedy. Ingredient number 1 is Fuller's Earth. And Fuller's Earth, if you're wondering what it's called in Hindi, it's called Multani Mitti. And let's say you don't have Fuller's Earth handy, then you can use bentonite or any other clay of your choice. You can actually also use rice flour, just in case you don't have Fuller's Earth. But really Fuller's Earth is the very best ingredient for this remedy. So here I have a heaping teaspoonful of it. And that's the first ingredient. Ingredient number 2 is haldi or turmeric, my favorite ingredient. I don't think I teach too many remedies without turmeric because it's such a phenomenal antioxidant and everybody should use it. So this is about 1/4 teaspoon, a little bit more than 1/4 teaspoonful. The third ingredient is nutmeg powder. It's also a very mainstay Ayurvedic beauty care ingredient, in case you didn't know. It has good skin balancing properties, acne reducing properties, a combination skin balancing properties. So it's actually a very good friend to your skin, nutmeg. So here I use 1/4 teaspoonful of nutmeg, and I can tell you it's very aromatic. And the last ingredient is some pure high quality rose water. Now for me, I'm going to use Apsara's Rose Dew Toner. It is rose water based, plus it has so many other ingredients to balance combination skin. This particular toner here, Rose Dew Facial Toner, is meant for combination skin. And I'm going to use enough of it to form a thick paste. I mean, the consistency of ketchup is quite good. So start small and then you can add more if you need to. And here we go. We're going to mix this. Okay, so it took me less than a minute, I think, to get all of this into mixture. It's yellowish, as you can see. The aroma is nutmeg, really nutmeg, and Fuller's Earth. This is ready and it's ready to go on my skin. So the first thing I will do, as usual, is that I'm going to clean my skin to remove any makeup. But even if you don't have any makeup on, just take a moment and clean your skin. You can just use a wet paper towel like this. Okay, makeup removed, face is clean. Let's hope that I don't make a mess. I don't have a mirror in front of me, so pardon me if this looks a little less than perfect. Do not forget to use any face mask on your neck as well, and that is true actually for your daily skincare routine too. Your neck is very important. But no remedy should be used very close to your eye. You should just stop right here, the orbit bone, because the under eye area is that delicate. You should use a separate under eye serum to care for your under eye area. Okay, the remedy is on my face and on my neck now, and it's going to dry for about 10 minutes, after which I'm going to wash it with lukewarm water. Then I'm going to use my daily skincare routine right after, which means your favorite Apsara cleanser, toner, serum and a lotion. You can do this 1 to 2 times a week. No more than that, it's not necessary. This is an ideal, very good supplement to your daily skincare routine. So, as always, I really hope you found this remedy useful, and then you're going to take a moment to do it at home. And if you have pictures, share those. I want to see your face with this face mask on. So, in wrapping, I will say take a moment, visit us at apsaraskincare.com. Go natural, it is good karma.